In this video, we're introducing you to negative integers. So with integers, you can have negative numbers that are less than 0. -1, -2, -3, so on. Now, remember, integers include whole, negative, and positive numbers. Alright? And we can add and subtract integers, and the results from these could be positive or could be negative. Now, we often use a number line to help get a good understanding of negative integers. So for example, I have a line here, and what could be in the middle is 0, and then I could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then once I go this way, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, alright? Alright, and then how we use this with operations such as plussing and minusing is if you're adding something, you're going to go this way. And if you're subtracting, you're going to go this way. Okay? So below you can see we have -4 plus 3. So if I was to use a number line for this, I would put a little dot at the number we're starting with. In this case, -4. Now I'm adding on 3. So what that means is I'm going to go to the right 3 spots. So 1, 2, 3. So my answer should be -1. So -4 plus 3 equals -1. Okay, so that's as simple as it needs to be. Use a number line, write out a bunch of numbers. You could just have one at the top. You don't have to do it for every question, and just, with a pencil, which you can rub out, or just using a guide or your finger, track what you're doing. So if it was negative, like in our case, -4 plus 3, we went to the right 3 spots. Okay, if it was 2 and we're minusing 3, so let's say hypothetically we've got 2 and we're minusing 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, because it's negative, it's going to the left. Use the number line. It's a useful tool in introducing how to deal with these negative numbers.